A very good morning, my dear students. Myself Arul Murugan. Welcome to my digital class. Chapter name Logic Gates, Lecture Video, Part 8. Dear students, in a previous lecture videos, we discussed very clearly about all the basic gates and derived gates. We know that there are three basic gates. They are NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. Then there are four derived gates. They are NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, which means exclusive OR gate, then XNOR gate, which means exclusive NOR gate. In today's lecture video, we are going to see revision of all gates, both basic gates and derived gates. In today's lecture video, we are going to revise all the basic gates and derived gates. We will see. Dear students, now you can see a table. In the table, first column gate, second column logical symbol, third column diagram, fourth column output condition, fifth column truth table. Dear students, all these 5 columns are common to all the gates. If you take any gates, all the gates having a common fields. Here we didn't mention logic gate, definition of logic gates. We know that the definition of logic gates will be same for all the gates except NOT gate. We will see why. See, the NOT gate always accepts only one input signal and produce only one output signal. Whereas in all other gates having 2 or more input signals but produce only one output signal. My dear students, can you able to identify the difference between NOT gate and all other gate logic? The NOT gate accepts only one input signal and produce only one output signal, but all other gates accepts 2 or more input signals and produce only one output signal. First, NOT gate. The logic symbol of NOT gate is complement. The logic symbol of NOT gate is complement. If you give X as an input signal, you will get X complement as an output signal. If you give X as an input signal, the output will be X complement. This is the logical diagram. Output condition. The output always opposite of input. The output always opposite of input. Or we can say the output always complement of input. The output always complement of input. My dear students, once you understand the output condition, then it is very easy to write the truth table. In a previous lecture video, I told very clearly this chapter purely based on logic oriented. At any cost, don't try to mug up any concept. Now we will see the truth table. The X is input signal, X complement is an output signal. If you give 0, you will get 1 as an output signal because the complement of 0 is 1. If you give 1 as an input signal, you will get 0 as an output signal because the complement of 1 is 0. My dear students, we know that the NOT gate is also called as a inverter gate. Understand? In a PU board examination, they may ask in a 1 mark, NOT gate is also called as a inverter gate. Understand? Next, OR gate. The logical symbol of OR gate is plus. The logical symbol of OR gate is plus. If you give A and B as an input signal, you will get output A plus B. A plus B. And this is the logical diagram of OR gate. Then output condition. Dear students, if any input is 1, then the output is 1, otherwise 0. Remember the output condition very clearly. If any input is 1, then the output is 1. You can check the first combination 0 0. Is there any input is 1? No. So that's why the output is 0. Whereas you can check all other 3 combination, remaining 3 combination, 1 is present in all 3 input combination. So that's why the output signal is 1. Understand? So what is the output condition? If any input is 1, then the output is 1, otherwise 0. Next, AND gate. In the AND gate, the logical symbol of AND gate is dot. The logical symbol of AND gate is dot. Dear students, if you give A and B as an input signal, you will get A dot B as an output condition, as an output signal. If you give A and B as an input signal, then you will get A and B, A dot B as an output signal. Next, truth table. Dear students, you should know the difference between OR gate logic diagram and AND gate logic diagram. In this logic diagram, you can check the OR gate logic diagram having a slight curve. You can see here there is a slight curve, but here it is a straight line. Understand? And it is looking like a D. AND gate is looking like a D, but it is not like that, it is like a curve. Understand? You should understand, you should know the difference. Next, output condition. When all inputs are 1, then the output is 1, otherwise 0. Dear students, you check it, the first combination 0 0. Here there is no, all inputs are 1, so that output is 0. Next combination 0 1. Here also no, all inputs are 1, so that's why output is 0. Next, third combination 1 0. Here also all the inputs are not having 1, so output is 0. And final fourth combination 1 1. But here all the inputs are 1, so output is 1. Dear students, these all 3 gates are called basic gates: NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate. So let me say the output condition for all basic gates. NOT gate output condition, the output always opposite of input, or we can say the output always complement of input. Next, OR gate, if any input is 1, then the output is 1, otherwise 0. AND gate, when all inputs are 1, then output is 1, otherwise 0. Dear students, there are 4 derived gates: NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate. For all the gates, same common fields: gate, logical symbol, diagram, output condition and truth table. First, NOR gate. NOR gate logic symbol is plus complement, plus complement. For example, if you give A and B as an input signal, you will get A plus B the whole complement, A plus B the whole complement. And this is the logical diagram. You can see the first one is OR gate symbol, then small oval is present there. The oval is indicate that NOT operation. We know that what is the logic of NOR gate, which means NOT plus OR. What is NOT plus OR? That means the OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. The OR gate is always followed by NOT gate. The output condition: when all inputs are 0, when all inputs are 0, then the output is 1. When all inputs are 0, then the output is 1, otherwise 0. You can check in the truth table. The first combination 0 0. First combination 0 0. Here you can check all the inputs are 0. So that's why the output is 1. The output is 1. Whereas you can check all other remaining combination, not all inputs are 0. So that's why the output is 0. Dear students, you should understand, you should remember the output condition so that you can easily write the truth table. Next, NAND gate. Dear students, the NAND gate is nothing but NOT plus AND gate, which means AND gate always followed by NOT gate. The logical symbol of NAND gate is dot complement. Dot complement. For example, if you give A and B as an input signal, you will get A dot B the whole complement. The output signal will be A dot B the whole complement. And this is the logic diagram. Same, the first one is AND gate and next vowel. The vowel is indicate NOT operation. Next, output condition. When all of the input are 1, when all of the inputs are 1, then the output is 0, otherwise 1. Dear students, you should understand the output condition very clearly. See, when all inputs are 1, then the output is 0. But you can check when all inputs are 1, then when all inputs are 0, then output is 1. But here in the NAND gate, when all inputs are 1, then the output is 0. The first 3 combination you check 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. In the combination, not all the inputs are 1. So that's why the output is 1. But the last combination 0, 0. All the inputs are 1. According to the output condition, the output is 0. Next, XOR gate, which means exclusive OR gate. The logical symbol of exclusive OR gate, plus, then small oval around the plus. You can check, here there is a OR gate and here there is a extra curve here, which is indicate that XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. My dear students, the output condition. See, the output is 1 if there are odd number of ones in the inputs. We already studied very clearly. First we have to count the number of ones in the input combination. If it is odd, then the output is 1, otherwise 0. This we discussed very clearly, so that I am going to discuss the truth table without more explanation. First combination 0, 0, the output is 0 because the number of 1 is even, which means 0. Understand? Next, 0, 1, number of ones is 1, which is odd, so that 1. Next, 1, 0, the number of 1 is odd, so output is 1. Next, 1, 1, it is even, so that's why the output is 0. Next, XNOR, exclusive NOR. The logical symbol is dot, along with the dot there is a vowel around the dot. This is called logical symbol. Next, truth table, you can see this is the XOR gate truth table logic diagram. Along with that there is a small vowel, there is a small vowel. The output condition, the output is 1 if there are even number of ones, even number of ones. Dear students, the first combination 0, 0. How many ones? 0 ones. This is even, so that's why output is 1. Next, 0, 1. In the input combination, only 1, 1 is here, which is odd, so output is 0. Next, 1, 0, number of 1 is 1, it is odd, so that's why output is 0. Next, 1, 1, there are 2 1 is here, 2 is even, so that's why output is 1. My dear students, The common fields are gate, logic symbol, diagram, which means logical diagram, output condition and truth table. For example, in the examination, if they ask explain all the gates in a 3 mark, you should write the definition of logic gate, logical symbol, diagram, output condition and the truth table. Here the logical symbol is optional. The logical symbol is optional. You can write or you can leave. But diagram, output condition and the truth table is mandatory. And derived gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. My dear students, kindly refer this video one more time. Again, one more time you watch this video. Still, if you have any doubt, feel free to call me or message me. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. We will see next class with some other topic. Thank you very much.